Do you know with spinach, carrots, Irish potato, and few eggs, you will come up with this amazing recipe. Very delicious and healthy. Without wasting time, let's dive into the video. Hello guys, welcome back to Vivian Recipe. How are you all doing? Greetings to you all guys. Thanks for stopping by again. As you all know, the month of February, I told you guys we'll be doing Irish potato recipe. So this was supposed to be the last video of Irish potato recipe for February, but I did not upload last week. I'm sorry for that guys. So I decided to upload it this week. So as you can see, I have peeled my Irish potato. I have chopped them to the smaller sizes. I've washed them, add water to it. I've cooked it as you can see. So the next step, I will pour it inside this bowl. This is the cooked Irish potato. The next thing, I will be adding chopped green and red bell pepper or sweet pepper. Now I'm adding some carrots as well. So we will also be adding spinach. Yes. So after that, I'm going to be adding salt to it. So the next step will be to add our egg. Yeah. So after adding the egg, I'm just going to mix that properly. Mix it together. So here I use 6 egg guys, 6 pieces of egg. So I will just mix everything properly. So if you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. All we do here is cooking. I upload once a week, which is not enough, but that is all I can do for now because I'm busy. Okay guys, so if you love it, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay, to all our returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. God bless you all guys. So it's time. This is the last stage. Okay, I'm just going to fill in my baking cup, or what is it called? So then we will bake. So it's about to go into the oven guys, and right here we have it out from the oven. I baked this for 20 minutes at 170 degrees guys. This right here is very healthy. It's good for breakfast, lunch, even quick dinner. As you can see, it looks so yummy, very delicious. Look at that guy, look at that. Who wouldn't love this? Let me know if you're going to be trying this out. Please leave your comment, share this video. God bless you. Bye.